So this one is a DF-17 PCV valve. It is connected to the intake manifold over here. It's a dual flow, meaning it has two circuits. One is for idle and the other one is for cruise. You can adjust these two with these screws over here, Allen screws. They have a very nice detailed documentation you can find on their website. The reason I installed this one is because I had oil leakage issues after the rebuild I did. I raised the compression from 7.5 or 7 to 1 to 9.5 to 1. The oil will puke out this hole behind the crank pulley and will shoot it over here on the lid over there. I faced some challenges trying to adjust it. I had a vacuum leak under the carb. The studs were pulled and I fixed the threads over here. I couldn't get it to idle. That was one of the problems, and the other one I did was I plugged the hole on the throttle plate with some solder. Other than this, I think it worked very well. This is a very DIY, not very permanent way to install this one. The plan is to probably locate it over here with hoses going to here to the case and a hose to the intake manifold again. Yeah, I don't think there is much else to say about this. I don't know why in the VW world they don't use it much. I think it's an excellent choice. Thank you very much. See you next time.